I'm going to show you a quick and easy hack that you can use to find new clients that are desperately in need of your YouTube ad services. This is great for anybody who runs an agency, and this is a great way that we do lead gen. So I'm going to jump over here to Video Ad Vault. This is our YouTube ad spy tool. It has over 1 million unique YouTube ads and landing pages. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the top channels. Now, this cool feature we have in here is channels with first ad seen recently. And we just click that. This will be worldwide, or you can go, if you only work with people in specific countries, you can choose that as well. But essentially, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for people who are just rolling out their very first YouTube ad. Now, a lot of times, like for instance, Crazy Money right here, we can just click search. We'll look at what their actual ad is right here. And we can actually see they have 2 of these. This is Japan. I cannot speak Japanese. I wish I could, but let me actually just turn this to United States, because then I'm guaranteeing that these are in English. So we probably don't want to hit up Disney. That'd be great though. Let's see. So here we go. So maybe like Oracachia or whatever. We can click search on that, and we can actually see that they have rolled out their very first ad. Today is February 13th, so they rolled it out February 2nd. They have not ran a ton of views through this. It's a 20-second ad, and we can kind of check out the ad itself. We can watch this. We can actually see. Hold on one second. This is actually another. This is an interesting ad. Anyway. So here we go. So this is body oils, right? So you can kind of see what's going on here. I really think, obviously, just like looking at this ad, this could use a lot of work, right? This would be a great customer to potentially go after, right? They could definitely use some work. We can see what their landing page is like, so we can get some intelligence on them. We can actually, get their contact info from down here. We can figure out how to contact them, reach out to them, and use this for lead gen. Now, obviously, this ad's like 20 seconds. Like I said, could definitely use some work. There's no voiceover, anything like that. So something that I would do here is, so I think this is like essential oils or whatever. I would come over here and I would reach out to, or I'd go to video ad search over here. Sorry. There we go. And boom. My computer's killing me today. All right, there we go. Search ads. And I would just search for essential oils. And I would just find all of these different ads for essential oils. I would find which ones are working the best here. And I would then, put together a list of a couple of these ads, figure out exactly what's working, and then probably just reach out to this company that I can't really say, right? I would reach out to them and be like, hey, we noticed you just launched your first YouTube ad. Would love to help you get more traction with that, or help you drive conversions, things like that, right? So that's just one of the things that you can do here. Like I said, that comes from the top channels, United States, channels with first ads seen recently. There's a skincare brand here, and you can really kind of just go through and see what is going on, what all these people are doing, all that good stuff. And you can really see, these are people who are just getting started with YouTube ads, because this is literally the first ad that they are rolling out. So these people could definitely use some help, pointers in the right directions, all that good stuff. So that is how we are using Video Ad Vault to literally go out and find companies that could use your help with YouTube ads if you run an agency, right? Now, Video Ad Vault, the pricing is as follows: $97 a month or $9.97 a year. And yeah, we do free weekly coaching calls. We're actually doing free weekly coaching calls for the monthly members as well. So, when you do land those clients, you can just get out and, jump on any of these weekly coaching calls. They're live, and we can help you with literally whatever you need for these clients as well. So we've got your back there, and yeah, really looking forward to having you as a member. Just one of the really cool ways you can use Video Ad Vault. That's it for me. Bye for now.